Hello and welcome. In this experience you will be participating in a low voltage rescue scenario. You will be taking the role of an assistant during a low voltage repair sequence. The electrician will be exposed to electrical shock and you will have to go through the correct sequence of steps required to rescue them. A task board has been provided, showing you the steps you will need to take in order to succeed. At any time you may also request a hint to help you determine the best course of action. If you would like to watch a video tutorial about using the VR controllers, select it in the following menu. Otherwise, when you are ready, select the first chapter to get started. Hi, welcome. Today you will be the safety observer during an equipment swap out on an energized cabinet. Before we begin work on the cabinet, please prepare the area and ensure all safety protocols are in place. You may reference the safety checklist. Highlight any item on the list using your laser pointer and pull the trigger for instructions on how to accomplish that task in virtual reality. Please progress through the list until all items are ticked. Have you looked at the safety checklist? You can select hazards in the environment with the laser pointer and pull the trigger to clear them. Select the correct placement of bollards on the site. Select the correct placement of bollards on the site. Cycle through the options in the menu to view each option. When correct, select Confirm. Please demonstrate you're aware of the site exit location by selecting it with your laser pointer. Please demonstrate which equipment you will use to contact emergency services in the case of an emergency. Select the work table with your laser pointer. You will see a selection of tools. Please select all tools that are appropriate to use when you are a safety observer during low voltage work, disregarding unnecessary ones. When you have made your selections, choose Confirm to continue. That is incorrect. Please try again. Have you selected all the items needed to complete the job? Please inspect all of the equipment you have selected. You will be provided with 3 versions of that item. You can pick up each item to take a closer look. Use your laser to select the version that is most appropriate for use. You will now conduct a physical inspection and air test on the gloves. Use your laser pointer to select the testing technique that is most appropriate for use. Please identify from the animations the correct technique to use to air test the gloves. How do you know that the gloves have passed the air test and are safe to use? Choose a tool to mark the power isolation point and place it appropriately. Now we are almost ready to begin work on the cabinet. As the safety observer, where should you be standing? Please make a selection. Great, I will now begin the equipment swap out for the energized cabinet. Your colleague has been electrocuted and is not responding. You've decided it is safe to perform a low voltage rescue. What should you do first?
You have dialed emergency services. What service do you require? Is the person you're assisting male or female? About how old are they? Please describe what environment you're in. Thank you. We will send an ambulance to your location immediately.
Great, the cabinet's power has been switched off. What should you do next? Are there any tools available that would help you rescue your colleague? Your colleague has been removed from the cabinet and is smoldering. How can you assist? Please select the correct hand placement for applying the blanket. Cycle through the options in the menu to view each option. When correct, select Confirm. Good. Thinking about your own safety too, select the correct fire blanket placement technique. Cycle through the options in the menu to view each option. When correct, select Confirm. Now that the blanket is on your colleague, please ensure that all smoldering and flames are extinguished. Good. All flames have been extinguished. What is next? What is the correct OHS technique to move the casualty? Your colleague is in a safe location. What is next? Emergency services have taken your colleague away. What is your next priority? After emergency services have control of the incident and have relieved you from your duty of care, what should you do? Great! You have successfully performed a low voltage rescue.